Hey guys, it's John with ReelBlue Custom Rods and welcome back to the channel. And today's video is going to be about 5-minute epoxy. I'll have the link down in the description below if you're interested after watching this video. But let's dive into why I think everybody should have 5-minute epoxy in a rod building kit. This 5-minute epoxy by Flex Coat is a great product. It's a great 2-part adhesive that has a short cure time. And I use this for a lot of particular builds, although you can put this on a lot of different materials when it comes to rod building: cork, foam, carbon, metal, aluminum, you name it. You can put this glue on it and this stuff will definitely secure it. However, where I think it shines really is when I'm adding things like roller tip tops to rod builds, fighting butts or gimbals, and any ferrules that I have for like unibutt type stuff. I think that is really where the 5-minute epoxy really kind of makes its money. 5 minutes is a lot of working time, so don't be scared if you're concerned that it's going to cure too fast for you. I would tell you, you probably have a good about 3.5, 4 minutes to get it in place on where you want it to be at. And then in about 5 minutes, it's not gonna be able to move. So this is really good. I really encourage you to buy this product if you're looking for a short curing process for any epoxy efforts that you guys may have coming up on your next custom rod build or any craft work that you're doing. I hope this helps.